Hello and welcome to another day in Kajabi in 5 minutes. This episode is going to be about email engagement and your contact list and insights in Kajabi. So everyone knows that the contact list or your email list is just uber important for your online business. That is how you connect with your people and that's how you engage, and it's something that you own. And so we're all trying to grow our email lists. And in Kajabi, when you go into contacts, you can see all of the people on your list. And as that number grows, we feel good. And and that's what we want. But there's something else that Kajabi has given us that will make this list a lot more useful, and that's the insights area. In the insights area of Kajabi, you can see some really great stuff. All of your contacts, how many new ones you've got in the last 30 days, who is subscribed. All right. That's a big important one. All of your subscribers, and how many of your list are customers who has bought stuff from you. So these are great things just to be able to see at a glance. And it does total, and then it does in the last 30 days. And even for your customers, it says activity. So who's been active in the last 30 days. You also get to see details about unsubscribed and what the total is, and then all of the different types that of unsubscription somebody can do, and then in the last 30 days. But then what's really important and what I'd like to get into more details about is subscriber engagement. And this can be a great tool for you if you are going to be, trying to build your list, not grow, but build, make it better, make it more valuable, more engaged. And so Kajabi's got 4 different metrics: healthy contacts, passive contacts, unengaged contacts, and inactive contacts. And these are all based off of 2 engagement methods. The first method is clicks. And the second method that you can toggle on or off is opens. And you can toggle opens on and off because this is an area of email land that has become kind of ambiguous. It used to be pretty clear if someone was opening an email, but now because of the way that mail clients interact with incoming mail and privacy laws, opens are just a lot less vague. And so some people like to include opens and some people don't. But these metrics really help. So a healthy contact is someone who's engaged within 90 days, the last 90 days. A passive contact is someone who's engaged not in the last 90 days, but the next 90 days, and then so on. So unengaged are people who haven't engaged with anything for 180 days. And inactive are people who haven't engaged with anything for like 270 days, but they're still subscribed. And so what can you do with this information? Well, you can decide to maybe reach out to these people in a different way. Instead of just sending the same mail to everyone on your list, maybe you target these passive clients or these passive contacts, the people who haven't, engaged with your mail in the last 90 days, and you send them something different than you send, people in general. Or maybe you target that inactive group and you just give them a really great email. Maybe you're giving them something that, you just really need to catch their attention with. And the idea is maybe if you can catch their attention, they'll start to engage. And if even that doesn't work to catch their attention, well, then just remove them from your list, unsubscribe them. And then your total sending metrics will be better. You'll be reaching people that are more engaged specifically. You'll be ignoring the people that just haven't bothered to unsubscribe yet because they just haven't bothered to. And so all of these types of things will make your list more focused, more concentrated, more full of people who want your stuff. That's going to help your sender reputation. That's going to help you avoid being spammed or moved to trash. And these are all just really good things. And so if you go into contacts and you go into the filters, you can actually filter by email engagement, and you'll see, the healthy, passive, active, or inactive, all that stuff there as options, and you'll be able to, specifically target these people with emails. And so that's what I've got for you today about email engagement. That Kajabi Insights area is pretty cool. If you haven't, clicked on it yet, give it a click and see the makeup of your list. See how things look for you. And tune in next week for another great episode.